In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Jotform. By the end, you'll know how to permanently clear out deleted forms so your workspace stays organized and your account limits aren't being used by items you no longer need. First, go to jotform.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your forms. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard, often called My Forms. This is where all your forms are listed and where the trash area is located. The interface can evolve over time, but the trash section is typically in the left-hand sidebar of the My Forms page. On the left side, scroll down the sidebar until you see trash. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all sections. Click Trash to open it. The trash page shows forms you previously deleted from your main list. Jotform typically keeps these items for a limited time before automatically removing them, which gives you a safety window to restore something if you deleted it by mistake. Before you clear anything, scan the list and make sure there's nothing you want to keep, since the next step permanently removes these items. Once you're on the trash page, select all. The fastest way is to use the checkbox at the top of the list to highlight everything in the trash. If you notice an item you might still need, you can deselect it so it isn't included in the purge. This is a good moment to review form names and last, modified dates, and, if available, preview details to confirm you're only removing what you truly don't need. When your selection looks right, click Purge. You'll usually find this option near the top of the page once items are selected. Jotform will ask you to confirm, because this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Confirm the purge to proceed. The selected forms will be permanently deleted, along with their associated data, and you won't be able to restore them later. After a successful purge, the trash section should show an empty state, confirming there's nothing left to clear. If the purge button is grayed out, make sure at least one item is selected. If you don't see a trash section at all, confirm you're on the My Forms page and that the sidebar is expanded. That's it. You've emptied the trash in Jotform, freeing up space and keeping your account tidy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.